it and his brothers called him gay. Emptied all the bottles till the pain went away. Whiskey was his friend, he didn't have another. Blacker than his vice, his real only lover.
Yup.
Smoked a pack or two, it never was a problem. Popped a pill or two, they really made him blossom.
Yup.
Take a sip, take a sip, take a sip. And a trip, and a trip, and a trip.